Hello friends, when I speak English I hesitate, when I speak English I break my fluency, when I speak English I am unable to find the right word at right times. Do these sound similar to you? If it's your dream to be fluent in English, if you are a serious learner, then this video is meant for you. In this video I am going to tell you bossy secrets that will train your brain how to think in English. By applying these bossy secrets, you will be able to speak English very fluently. First bossy secret is think in simple words. You can think about names of body parts, names of tools, names of fruits, names of vegetables. Second bossy secret is think in words. You can think like this: I can do this, I can work like this, I have two eyes, I can see with my eyes. What happens when you do this? By saying and thinking in English connects words and images together. That helps you quickly in thinking English. And it's also keep you away from your mother tongue and translation method. The third bossy secret is talk to yourself in conversation mode. First ask question and answer it yourself. Example, what's your name? My name is Amitabh. What do you do, Amitabh? I am a teacher. The last bossy secret is dream in English. You must be thinking that how it is possible to dream in English, but it is possible. Let's see how it can be done. First, recap your whole days before going to bed. Second, take a novel, read it, underline the expressions and phrases which are commonly used in spoken English, speak them many times, and you will find that your brain is easily able to speak English very fluently when you need them most. And as you know, building fluency is habit based. If you do something many times, it will become your habit. So the more you practice, the sooner you become fluent. By applying this video, I am assuring you that you will improve your fluency day by day in every way. That's all for today. Thank you very much.